Tracking your Shein order, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. We understand that you've placed an order with Shein and now you're keen to know where it is and when it'll reach your doorstep. In today's discussion, we'll walk you through how to track your Shein order step by step.
Why is tracking your order important?
Before we start, let's briefly understand why tracking your order is important. Tracking allows you to monitor the progress of your order from the moment it leaves the warehouse till it arrives at your location. It provides an estimated delivery date, and more importantly, it gives you peace of mind knowing where your package is at any given moment.
How to track your Shein order.
Now, let's dive into the main part, how to track your Shein order. 1. Log into your Shein account. The first step is to log into your Shein account where you made the purchase. 2. Go to My Orders. Once logged in, navigate to the My Orders section, which should be located in your account dashboard. 3. Locate the specific order. In the My Orders section, locate the specific order you want to track. 4. Click Track. After finding your order, there will be an option to track the order. Click on this, and it should bring up the tracking details for your order. 5. View tracking information. Here, you'll see all the tracking details including the current location of your package and the estimated delivery date. Remember, the tracking information will only be available once your order has been shipped. If you've recently placed the order and it hasn't been shipped yet, you may not see any tracking information.
What if there is an issue?
Sometimes, you might encounter issues while tracking your order. The tracking information may not be updated or you might see that your package is stuck somewhere. In such cases, the best course of action is to reach out to Shein's customer service. They can provide the most accurate information and assist you with any problems regarding your order's delivery. And that's it. That's how you can track your Shein order. Remember, tracking your order is important for both your peace of mind and to ensure you're available to receive the package when it arrives. We hope this video has been helpful and you can now easily track your Shein order. Happy shopping!